Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to click and drag on Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open your remote connection. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop app on your phone or tablet and tap on the name of your computer. Type in your secret code if the app asks for it to start. Next, switch to touch mode. Look at the finger icon at the top of your screen. Make sure you select touch mode for your controls. In this mode, your finger acts exactly like a mouse. Wherever you touch is exactly where the click happens. This makes it much easier to grab your folders and icons. Next, long press and slide. Now you are ready to actually move something. This is the main move you need to learn to master the app. Put your finger on the item you want to move and hold it down for a second until you see it pop or highlight. Without lifting your finger, slide it across the screen to the new spot. Lift your finger off the screen once the item is over the right spot and click on Move here. Watch the screen to verify that your folder or app has moved successfully. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.